Hi everyone, this is Omkar here, and I'm one of the founding team members of Infigon Futures. And in today's session, we are having a conversation with Vandana Mishra ma'am, and she's a certified career counselor, a certified career planner with Infigon Futures. And in this session, what we are trying to do is we would like to understand about the entire journey of Vandana ma'am, right? Ki before becoming a counselor, what all are the things that she was working on, or she was doing, or she was engaged with. Then, how did she think of becoming a counselor? How did she get in touch with Infigon? How did she get her entire journey started?
So thank you so much, Omkar, for giving this wonderful opportunity to interact with you as well. So I am basically from HR background. I have worked for more than 5 years as a HR faculty in
Okay.
management in Trivandrum, and then I switched to corporate sector. Then I associated with Muthoot Group, where I worked as a assistant HR manager, and currently I am full time working as a career counselor. Yeah, so as I said, that I am from HR background, and in my past professional experience, I was involved with students, and closely I have worked in their entire career development process. Also, when I was in corporate, so I understood the in-depth process of people management. So
Okay.
these are the two important factor which motivated me at the time of my career, where I decided to be a self-employed and start something my own. And from there, this motivation inspired me to become a career counselor. Yes, so uh, first I will explain you like when I worked as a HR faculty. So what I observed from student perspectives. Okay, so mainly in like I was teaching in MBA college. So
Hmm.
there mainly students, uh, they know that yes, I am doing something good, but for what purpose, that was absolutely blank for them. Like their
Okay.
purpose was not clear. Like it was either influenced by parent to do MBA, and after MBA what they are going to do, that aspiration also was not clear. So there was
Okay.
lot
Okay.
of lack of awareness and like the purpose. Yes, so when I decided that I want to become career counselor and I want to be self-employed,
Hmm.
so the next step for me was to search a program, a certified program, where I can understand the entire process of career counseling through
Okay.
some recognized and affiliated organization or institute,
Correct.
where I can get, yes. So that was my first priority,
Okay.
and after that I it was not at all random decision to enroll for Infigon. First of all, I will let you know,
Okay.
because I have searched lot,
Okay.
like more than 10 other training institute, those who are providing career counseling training in India
Hmm.
as well as in abroad. So
Okay.
I searched lot, but the thing which inspired me to enroll for Infigon Future is uh, the package they are providing
Hmm.
for career counseling certification program, because they are providing practical knowledge, they are providing theory knowledge of entire career counseling process, and they are providing technical support.
Correct.
So it was the unique combination which I was looking for, and at affordable price. So that really motivated me to join Infigon career counseling certification program. Okay, so when I joined this program, so uh, first of all, I was very confident about my decision. The reason was, uh, before the session started, I was fully well informed about the entire course structure and how it will go on. So I was confident that I am going to do further. The road will be good for me.
Okay.
So yeah. So the entire process was wonderful for me, and because it was a combination of theoretical learning, then practical learning we had in our entire career. Entire course structure is designed in such a way that most of the classes were uh, very interactive. We
Okay.
had role play. Then our trainer, she was excellent um, in her proficiency to deliver lectures. She
Okay.
explained each and every test with practical approach. We had role plays. So these all really helped me to understand the entire process with ease and with lot of clarity.
Got it.
Yes, so as we have dedicated website.
Okay.
Okay, so and we have digital presence also in all social media platform,
Okay.
and also in our ad and through personal contact. We also mention like they can contact us personally also in our
Okay.
number.
Okay.
So from the mixed approach, I am approaching to parents as well as to individual,
Okay.
where they can contact me either from these three options, like either through social media reach or through personally. They can contact me in my number,
Okay.
or they can register through website. So the first
Correct.
process is to register the website, which is very well designed, and it's very easy process to register yourself. Like
Okay.
only few days, like where only 2-3 parameters are there, like name, email address, and your contact number. And then as a counselor, I schedule a demo session for
Okay.
individual, where I explain in deeply the entire career counseling process, how it is going to be,
Okay.
and how like total we are conducting 5 sessions,
5
where
sessions. Okay.
yes, and so how this entire 5 session will go on and what they will get. And also in demo session, we also try to understand from parent side or
Okay.
from individual. Suppose if somebody is well adult and professional, so we want to understand first like what is their expectation.
Okay.
So once we know their expectations, so it's very easy for us to start the entire process, because
Okay.
then we focus on where they need the most help from
Help with. Correct.
our side. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sure. So the in demo session, as I said, first we explain the entire career counseling process, how it will go, and
Correct.
also we let them understand like there are some complementary features also is available, which
Okay.
for your understanding and for referral also you can pass to others, though those who are in need, because
Huh.
in our website we have free personality assessment report, what each and every individual get when they register.
Okay.
So it's not necessary that they should enroll for program, but if they are registering, so from that process itself they are getting some a benefit, like they
Okay.
can get their free personality career report, and we have career library access also, where
Okay.
more than 1,300 career options is
Are
listed.
present. Okay.
So yes. So my vision is to empower individuals so that they can make their individual independent career choices without any fear and without confusion.
Okay.
So at the end of counseling session, they should feel confident. They
Correct.
should be more clear about what they are going to do next,
Okay.
and they should be well informed and well aware about what they are doing.
Got it.
In today's scenario,
Mm-hmm.
change is one of the most important factor. The flexibility and change which we should all encourage in our learning process.
Okay.
Because after every 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, new technology, new learning is coming.
Correct.
So we should be ready to be so flexible so that if new technology is coming, or even we should be so well predicted that okay, in future these are the technology which can give me more better options. So we
Okay.
should be future ready. So we should accept the change
Okay.
instead of
Being
blaming
rigid.
the
Yeah.
yes. Should not be rigid. We should
Haan.
be well accepted for change and flexibility.
Correct.
And definitely continuous learning is very, very important.
Correct. Correct. I think one very good term that I think is going on in the market also nowadays, and we also had come across the other time, was that students today need to learn how to learn, right? So because today it's not like 20 years back जहाँ पे आपने एक चीज़ की पढ़ाई कर ली और आपको उस रिलेटेड करियर करना है या फिर काम करना है for the next 20 years. It's like कि even if you have done some education, you get a job, you get into that industry or start your business, तो आपको 2 साल बाद या 6 महीने के बाद भी कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ सकती है जो आनी पड़ेगी या फिर सीखनी पड़ेगी, राइट? सो इसेंशियली इफ अ स्टूडेंट टुडे लर्न्स how to learn anything, then that is the only way they can survive in this market. क्योंकि एक तरीके से कंपटीशन भी इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ चुका है. पहले बच्चे भी उतने एडुकेटेड नहीं होते थे, अब सारे ही बच्चे एडुकेटेड है, तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ उतनी ही हैं, बट उसके लिए compete करने वाले लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं, स्पेशली इन अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया. सो या आई थिंक दैट इज़ one very good thing that students need to be open to change and not just stick to one place.
Yes, so in India particularly, both the parent and the youngster, the child, they are concerned about their future, about their career, but informed and well aware.
Okay.
So I will give you a small example. Like suppose if even we are going for vegetable shopping, or if we are going for any travel, if we are planning any travel, or if we are doing anything, so we do some sort of planning, right? Like suppose even very small example, if I am going to vegetable shop, so in my mind I keep like okay, I am going to buy this and that. Correct. But one of the most important decision of our life, that is career planning, where our professional and personal life balance exists. So in that we always neglect and we never think so seriously about it. Most of the parents or students, individuals, they think it is not for me. But actually it is not about confusion, it is your responsibility that you should plan step by step, so that whatever decision you are making, you should not feel regret. You will be satisfied if you are well informed, if you are well aware. So in India, I feel awareness and information is very limited. Correct. And for that, we should definitely both sides should work. Like professional, they should work on to spread more awareness and information. Like we are the medium, and parent and individual also, they understand that it is not something whether I need or not. It is your high responsibility. Yes. So, yep. Thank you so much, Vandana ma'am, for joining. I think this session allowed us to understand कि आप कहाँ से, आपका experience क्या है, आपने कैसे career counseling की program go through करी, and what is your vision, what process you follow. So whoever our parents are, if they want to get in touch with you, in this video we'll be adding your website link, your mobile number and all those details. So if they want to connect with you, they can connect with you directly as well. Right? So thank you so much, Vandana ma'am. Thanks for joining. Thank you so much, Omkar, for giving this wonderful opportunity to me. Correct. So it was really delighted experience for me. Thank you so much. Same here.